Lesson 26. Go and write that in the top right corner.
Done.
Nicholas? Okay. All right. The first part of this lesson is reducing fractions. Okay. And I kind of did this the other day. But if I broke up my pizza into 8 slices, okay, and I filled in 4 of them, what would I get? 4 eighths, right? Okay, now, let's say instead of breaking it up into 8 slices, reducing it would actually mean breaking them up into bigger slices, so I only want 4 this time. Okay? And I fill in the same amount on the side right here, what would I end up getting?
2 fourths.
2 fourths. Okay. Now, lastly,
1/2.
yes, very good.
1/2.
Okay, so this one has fewer slices, which makes it smaller. Okay, or the pieces are bigger, but it makes the fraction smaller. Okay, so 1/2, 2 fourths, and 4 eighths. They are all the same. Okay, they're equal, all just differently cut. Okay, so that's kind of how that works. All right, now, how would I reduce 2 sixths? Okay,
2.
yes.
1/3.
Yes. How? How? How?
1/2 of 2 and 1/2 of 6.
Okay. Basically what you want to do, you're exactly right, Isaac. What you want to do is you want to choose a number that will go into this number and this number that is the same. And what number will go into both of these? 2 will, right? I couldn't pick 3 because 3 won't go into 2, but 3 will go into 6, so it won't work. So I have to choose a number that is the same number that goes into both. 2 will go into 2 how many times? 1. 2 will go into 6 how many times? 3. So the 2 6 is reduced to 1/3. Very good. Alrighty. Alright, we just did that. Okay. If I asked you, everybody draw a circle on your paper. And I want you to break it up into 6. Okay, it's kind of hard, but you want to draw a line in the middle and then make a V. Or an X. A V on the top and a backwards V on the bottom. Or an X with a line in the
It's
middle.
totally not the same.
Okay? So did everybody get 6 right there?
Yeah, really bad fraction.
No, you got it. You're good.
Spider-Man.
It's good. Okay, now, what does a whole circle represent? How much?
100%.
100%. Okay, so if I was trying to figure out how much is in each of these, what would I do?
Divide by 6.
100 divided by 6. Very good, because there's 6 parts. 100 divided by 6. I want everybody to do that one on your paper and tell me what you get. No one scream it out. Let's give everybody time to answer. All right, Isaac, come on up here and work it for me. Okay, so tell me the total. Let's just erase this one. Okay, so great job, Isaac. You should have gotten 16 and 2/3. If you got 16 and 4/6, you were still right, but you needed to reduce the 4/6 to 2/3. Okay, now watch this. 16 and 2/3, 16 and 2/3, 16 and 2/3. I'm not going to do them all. Okay, now here's what the question was. 2/6 of a circle is what percent of a circle? 2/6. 2/6 of a circle is what percent? Well, what is 2 of the 6? Yes?
Can I say the answer?
Do you know the answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
17 and 1/3%.
Close. I see what you're doing. Okay. We're wanting to know what 2 of the 6 are. So what would I do? I'm going to add those 2 things up. Because I'm wanting to know what 2 of the 6 are. Everybody understand? Okay, so let's add these up. 16 and 2/3 plus 16 and 2/3. Now,
No 32.
who remembers what I do?
Oh, I just know the answer.
Okay, who knows what I need to do? Yes, Nicholas? Add which part first?
2 and 2.
Yes. So we're going to add our numerators. 2 and 2 makes 4. We're going to keep our denominators the same. Very good. What is 16 plus 16?
32.
32. Now, is this the right answer?
No.
No. What do I need to do, Lena?
You need to divide 4 by 3.
Yes, very good. What is wrong with this one? It's improper. We can't have a whole number in an improper fraction. So I need to make this into a mixed number, okay? So she told me what to do. You're going to do 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. And you would get 1 and 1/3. Now, if this is 1 and 1/3, what do I do with this 32? Yes?
You add the 1, which makes it 33.
Very good. So I'd add 32 plus this 1, which makes 33. And then this 1/3 is left over. So, for this and this, it's 33 and 1/3. Yes?
There's another way to do it.
There is another way to do it.
May I add?
Yes, you may?
So it would be 3/3, which would make a 1, and then you would have 1 left over, and then it would be a 1 and 1.
Where's 3/3?
You take 1 away from the 4 on the top, and then it would be 3/3, which makes a 1.
Yes. And if that's easier for you, you can.
Yeah.
Okay? Anybody else? Everybody understand? Alrighty. Rory. What a name. Aren't you glad your mom didn't name you Rory?
There's a golfer named Rory.
Lives 2 3/4 miles from the lake. He rode his bike from home to the lake, from the lake to back home. How far did he ride?
What?
2 3/4 miles from the house to the lake. What would I do?
Wait, where did he go? To the house, to the lake, to the house?
Yep. 2 3/4. Everybody work it on your paper. 2 3/4 miles from the lake to his house. And he went from his house to the lake and then the lake to his house. How far or how many miles did he go? Claire?
5 1/2.
5 1/2. Okay. So what did you do?
I added 2 3/4 plus 2 3/4, and then reduced it.
Very good. 2 3/4
Twice.
plus 2 3/4, and you would get 3 plus 3 is 6/4, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. All right. Now we need to make the 6/4. It's an improper. We can't do anything with it. We need to do. We need to do something with it actually. Okay. So we do 6 divided by 4. 4 going to 6. Oh dear. One time. And get 2/4. Now.
1/2.
Yes, this 2/4 reduces to 1/2. So it's actually 1 1/2. 6/4 is actually 1 1/2. So then we add that 4 to it and it becomes 5 1/2. Everybody understand? All right. Is subtraction any harder? Let's do 1 and we will be done. 5 3/8 minus 1 1/8. Okay, now we're not adding, we are subtracting. So what do I subtract? My numerators. 3 take away 1, you would get 2. My 8's stay the same because I have a common denominator. And then 5 take away 1 is 4. Is this the final answer?
No.
What's wrong?
It's not reduced.
Very good. So what does that reduce to?
1/4.
Very good. How did you get 1/4?
Divide by 2.
Yes, 2 we're going to 2 and 2 we're going to 8. We chose one number that goes into both. 2 we're going to 2 one time, 2 we're going to 8 4 times. Final answer is 4 1/4. Very good, guys.